come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. You know the vibes. I'm bringing you another Lucky 777.finance video. The Lucky Sevens, the money makers, the one that's supposed to be different from all the other ones. Okay, I'm gonna go dig into this and my little updates, and I'm gonna do a live withdrawal for you guys because I know it's important. I just did another withdrawal video on a different platform. It is very important for people and new investors to see that you could take money out. So I'm gonna show you guys that and how to do that for the people that don't really know how to, you feel me, get to that. All right, where did I go? All right, there I go. All right, so before I get into all of that, please go over to the YouTube channel. You know the vibes. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all on the YouTube channel, so hit that like button for me. This notification bell now, so I'm gonna show you why right now. Boom. Okay, right now I have 615,007 tokens. Okay, that's equivalent to 2,218 US dollars. Now it's been a day and 38 minutes. I mean, 1 day, 3 hours, 38 minutes since my last sale. Can you guys see that? Pretty much, right? Should I move myself out the way? There you go. Put me on the next side for a second. So it's been that long since my last sale. Put myself back up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So as you guys know, this is an auto staking platform. You just simply buy the coin, hold it in your wallet, and it rebases rewards every hour, every 30 minutes, I should say. Okay. In my case, every rebase. Oh, I believe they're going through some type of update, so they're doing the rebases daily right now. Okay, but I believe that will be back soon. So right now it's been over 24 hours, so I can withdraw 1% again. That's to help sustainability of the project. They're only allowing you to withdraw 1% daily, although you're supposed to gain more than 1% daily, which is kind of cool. All right, even though right now I'm making $55 a day at the current value. So enough talking, let's go to the withdrawal. So it says 6,155. I go right here to where it say buy now. It bring me to app.bogged finance. Okay, people. Right there, I switched it. So the 777 tokens at the top. Type in 6,500. How much was it? 6,155. Sorry about that. 6,155 of these tokens. Well, let me connect my wallet first. Sheesh. There we go. 6,155 of the tokens. As you guys can see, the equivalent for that is, well, if I go to BUSD, you guys can see it's $21.92, about $22. But I want it in BNB, so I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, and you just press. And the good thing about this, I've seen people saying you gotta put a slippage, all types of different things. I like this because you can just press auto slippage, then swap. Then this MetaMask, I'm using MetaMask for this, so my MetaMask popped up for me to confirm the transaction, and it's only about like 10 cents in fees or so, and plus the tax on the withdrawal. And you see it says $15 right here. You'll see that update to $33. Successfully have withdrawn my 1% for the day. Look how easy that was, people. I'm gonna put a link down below, and now it's not a referral link, but you can still support the channel some other way by liking that button, hitting that like button. Don't just like the like button. Marry the like button. Marry the like button. You know what I mean? And let's go a quick update on. I'm gonna just go to the Telegram page. Where is the Telegram? Where is the Telegram page? I got so much stuff going on. What am I doing? Oh man, I'm gonna just type it in. There we go, right there. And we can see the quick updates. Blow. What? There's a minor coming out? Oh my God, is that true? The Lucky Sevens Finance minor? Nah, that can't be right. No, that can't be right. That must be a review. Yeah. All right. Let's see these updates. Oh, they're also like a that's the update I wanted to tell you guys about. They're having something special for people that wanted to start YouTube channels. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, this is the way to incentivize you guys. It's not the reason I'm doing this video. I'm invested in this, as you guys can see, but I'll take it. So what they're saying is, if you do a YouTube video about Lucky 777, about the Lucky Sevens, they will pay you $50 for every 100 views, but the cap is at $500. So if you get as much as 1,000 views, they'll pay you $500. Easy money, people. Easy money. Yo, matter of fact, like this button, like this video, subscribe, marry the like button, subscribe to the page, and hopefully this get at least 1,000 views, because that $500 definitely helped me out, because I'm not monetized. But you already know what time it is. It's not financial advice. It's not Ben Kabi, DeFi bully. All right. Remember, all of this, entertainment.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.